scale, but not with these models. You're going to get some nice scale flying up and down. We'll see if we can get the Apache to do some attack runs, some ground strafing stuff like that they would be doing. These helis are flying multi-head rotors, fly-barless systems. If you flew a heli probably 10 years ago, you'd have had none of that set of paddles just above the blades. You don't see that on these. It's just a clever box of electronics that sorts it all out and lets them look a lot more scale. British version is called Longbow, but in America it's called the Apache. It's a ground attack helicopter. Has a 20mm Gatling gun on the front. It has like an FPV helmet. The pilot can actually, the gun, it actually moves with what he's looking at, so he doesn't have to get a sight up. So wherever his head moves, the gun moves. There's no escape from this thing. This is the particular helicopter that Prince Harry flew out in the Gulf. On the right side, this is the last thing you want to see in the air. It's kind of a rotary wing version of an A-10 Thunderbolt. Silent death. Let's give you the spec on this thing as well. The Boeing 105 you can see, the scale model of the full size, normally used as air ambulance out in mainland Europe over here, and the police as well. Particularly a large helicopter, but it has a large fuselage. If you're picking up someone that's maybe fallen down a cliff face, or this is the sort of thing they'd use to extract it. This one sports the red ball colour scheme of the full size, which again they actually do aerobatics with the full size. Both these in full size can loop, can roll. You have probably seen over here in blue and yellow, the police use this. They use this version, a later version with no tail, which is no tail rotor. It uses, you're not sure what the tail rotor is for. As the engine winds up the rotors, the fuselage wants to go in the opposite direction. It's a torque effect. The tail rotor is there to stop it spinning round and round and round. As you can see here, the Apache hovering in front of us, sporting a scale 4-bladed head. Use a special no flybar gyro. It actually, what a flybar does on a full-size helicopter model, it's like a damper. Now, because of all these clever sausages now, they have a flybarless gyro system which stabilises the helicopter. Here he comes into the hover. It's also got scale undercarriage. It's all shock absorbers on the tail wheel, the front wheels. Wasn't that lovely? Come on, give them a touch. They're good, aren't they? All made like the full size.
Like I said, Hydra has been going on for over 20 years. That's before Saban, his son, was born. Taylor's going to be flying the F9 tanker, German tanker, purpose-built, full-size